Hi, let's check your readiness for the DMV test. Let's go. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the distinctive traffic rules in Ohio. You will have 10 seconds to answer. Once you know the correct answer, we will analyze it in detail. And question: in Ohio, what is the legal BAC, blood alcohol concentration, limit for drivers under the age of 21? Answers option: A, 0.08%, B, 0.02%, C, 0%. In time. Correct answer: B, 0.02%. Ohio enforces a zero-tolerance policy for underage drivers, but unlike some states with a strict 0% limit, Ohio allows up to 0.02% BAC before it's considered an offense. This differs from states like Arizona, where any detectable alcohol 0% may result in penalties for underage drivers. And the next question: which of the following is true about Ohio's law regarding passing a stopped school bus? A, you must stop only if you're behind the bus. B, you must stop regardless of the direction unless there's a physical barrier. C, you can pass the bus if you're on a multi-lane road going in the opposite direction. Time. Correct answer: B, you must stop regardless of the direction unless there's a physical barrier. In Ohio, drivers from both directions must stop for a school bus with flashing red lights unless there is a physical median or barrier between lanes. This rule is stricter than in some states where only traffic behind the bus must stop. Next question: what is Ohio's law regarding turning right on red at a red arrow? A, it is always permitted after a complete stop. B, it is never permitted. C, it is permitted only if no sign prohibits it. And time. Correct answer: B, it is never permitted. Unlike many states that allow a right turn on red arrows under certain conditions, Ohio law strictly prohibits turning right on a red arrow. This is an important distinction from the general right on red rule. So that's it. Write in the comments if you answered correctly. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss new tests. Thanks for watching.